Welcome, here I've got SHARP Aquos Sense2 and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's stay on the picture settings here, and at the last position we have QR code barcode recognize. So by using this button we can easily turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And I suggest you to keep this turned on because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you can do it by putting them inside your camera app and you don't need any other app to do it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.